If you're a legal professional or a law student, let me tell you something. The future of law firms are gonna change. In my last reel, I have discussed what is billable hour model and ended up with the question that is AI gonna disrupt the whole legal business? Well, it depends. If you're a law firm who is not adopting AI where it can prove to be efficient due to fear of billable hour model, then sir, you're anyways going to be disrupted. On the other hand, if you're a law firm who is adopting AI and technology to save time and improve efficiency so that firm lawyers can focus on the tasks which require human judgment and verification, which in result would provide quality to the client in less time. Still, the logic of billable hour, that is less time, less profit, would ruin them, right? Well, no, because the pricing structure itself will be changed. Recently, Legora, a leading AI powered workspace, announced a structure called consumption based pricing. What is it? Now imagine a robot who cleans your room. You pay a little. Then, after that, cleans a room, walked your dog, and did your homework. You pay more. That's how consumption based pricing works. So instead of charging a flat fee, no matter how much the AI works, it charges specifically how much the AI worked for you. That's what Legora is doing with Agent Pro. So, no loss from less time because the firm is providing quality in less time for which client is ready to pay. Cool, right? And the whole case study part where we pick the legal problem and pivot the structure a bit so that we can find the solution, that's how legal innovation in legal tech looks like. And surprisingly, you can also do that. Follow me to know that in the next reel. Till then, bye. Thank you.